We are in Tignes at the Bollin, the new place in Tignes this winter with CODA audio product. This product is specially designed to work in difficult conditions with winter, wind, and have good sound all over the place for customer. All we are on the terrace, we have smooth sound with good high frequencies, low frequency, controlled directivity. We have chosen CODA products with marine grade, with specially designed to work in difficult conditions like winter with snow. Marine grade have stainless brackets and special closes inside the grill of the enclosure, and it prevents the snow in the enclosure.